What if I told you that the most dangerous animal in the world isn't a shark, a lion, or even a snake? What if I told you it's something you've probably encountered hundreds, maybe even thousands of times, and you barely even noticed? Get ready, because what you're about to hear will change the way you see the world around you. Let's play a game. Picture a shark. Scary, right? Jaws, all those teeth. Sharks are responsible for about 10 human deaths per year. Now think of a lion, the king of the jungle. Majestic, powerful, but also deadly. Lions kill around 100 people annually. How about crocodiles? Ancient reptilian predators. They take about 1,000 lives a year. Pretty terrifying numbers. But they're all dwarfed by our mystery killer. This tiny assassin is responsible for over 700,000 human deaths every single year. That's more than all other dangerous animals combined. It's not just that it kills. It's how it does it. This creature is a master of biological warfare, carrying and transmitting diseases that have plagued humanity for centuries. We're talking about malaria, dengue fever, Zika virus, West Nile virus, the list goes on. By now you've probably guessed it. The most dangerous animal in the world is the mosquito. It's almost comical, isn't it? This buzzing pest that ruins our summer evenings is a more efficient killer than any apex predator. But why? What makes the mosquito so deadly? Well, it's all about the numbers and their unique biology. There are trillions of mosquitoes on Earth, and only the females bite. They don't bite because they're hungry for blood. They need the proteins in our blood to develop their eggs. When a female mosquito pierces your skin with her proboscis, that's her needle-like mouthpart, it's a two-way street. She injects saliva that acts as an anticoagulant to keep your blood flowing, and it's in this saliva that deadly pathogens can be hiding. If she's previously bitten an infected person or animal, she becomes a flying hypodermic needle, delivering a potential death sentence with a single itchy bite. Think about it. While we build fences to keep out bears and have special teams to handle rogue crocodiles, this tiny enemy flies right over our defenses, slips through our window screens, and finds us while we sleep. They've adapted to almost every environment on Earth, from the Arctic tundra to the hottest deserts. They breed in any standing water they can find, from a massive lake to a tiny puddle in a discarded bottle cap. The scale of the problem is mind-boggling. Malaria alone infects over 200 million people a year. That's like the entire population of Brazil getting sick every single year. And while we've made incredible progress with nets, repellents, and medicine, the mosquito is a relentless and adaptable foe. Some are even developing resistance to our insecticides. So what's the future look like? Scientists are fighting back with some seriously cool, sci-fi level stuff. They're creating genetically modified mosquitoes that are sterile so they can't reproduce. Others are engineering mosquitoes that are resistant to carrying malaria, so when they breed with wild mosquitoes, they pass on that resistance. It's a high-tech war being fought on a microscopic level. Next time you hear that high-pitched whine in your ear, you'll know. You're not just dealing with a minor annoyance. You're in the presence of the deadliest animal on the planet. It's a humbling reminder that sometimes the biggest threats come in the smallest packages. It's pretty incredible when you think about it, right? What other tiny things in our world have a massive, overlooked impact? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts. Thanks for watching.